You know, that hurt a lot, especially on this arm because, you know, I fell on this arm. That's how I broke it, and it still hurts. I took my cast off for this video because today I will be microwaving slime. Okay. So yes, it's my bubbly slime. But I am not going to microwave this slime because this is the good slime, okay? I am not gonna, because I never did it before and I'm scared to do it, and I'm not doing this slime. I made a slime earlier. It's a clear slime, so I wanted to use that slime. Hey. Yeah, this slime is really sticky. Really sticky. But still satisfying. I do this on Instagram. Go follow my Instagram account. I'll put it. Yeah, just go follow it. Well, I'm close. Just 50 more. 50 more. 50 more. Wait. 50 more. You know what I mean? The fans something. I really don't know. 50 more until I reach 100. So I can't wait until I reach 100 because, you know, I got all of a sudden I made that account like a few weeks ago, and I already got 58. I already got 58 followers. Yeah, so. If you guys, I just love, like, you know, so many slime people just follow me. I followed them, they follow me back. And yeah, some people I didn't even follow. Hey, oh no, why did I do that? This slime is sticky, very sticky. But I'm not going to be microwaving this slime, because this is my favorite slime. It's bubbly slime, and it's fluffy, so I'm not going to. I don't want to put it in the microwave, so. Oh no. This is the slime I am going to be microwaving. Well, it's not clear yet. It's not clear. I don't know why it's in the big container, but I made a small one. It's a clear slime. I know it looks like because I think I added too much baking soda. I really don't know, but let's. Wait. Well, let's just see when we put it in the microwave. But, just gonna, oh no, okay. I'm just gonna keep it in here. And, let's get, okay guys, okay, my phone's on 3%, my phone's gonna die. Okay, so I'm gonna keep it in here for, I really don't know. Probably an hour or 2 hours. How about 5 minutes? Yeah.
2 hours later.
Oh my gosh, guys. Look. It's freaking hot. It's so hot. And my slime is clear a little bit.
Let me see.
Oh my, this is so freaking weird. It's like hot. Oh. You know me, I'm gonna keep it in there a little bit longer because 5 minutes, you know that's too short. So, oh, it's so warm, so nice. Ow, oh, never mind, don't do that. But I'm gonna keep it in there probably for 10 minutes. So, I see it's 10 minutes. Here I go. Oh man. Hey, what's happening? Well, I'm gonna take a little rest because my arm hurts. It hurts really bad. Ow. My cousin's about to do hers. Oh, 1 minute. Okay. But yeah, let's see if it'll turn clear. Mine's just popping like popcorn.
Man, I was.
So that's it is hot. It's really hot. So she's using a butter knife. And yeah, she's just mixing. So you guys might think that there's nothing in here. Well, guess what? There is something in here. Wait, hold on. Let me go get a butter knife. So on the camera, the slime looks kind of white, but in real life, it's actually really clear. Yeah, it's really nice. But I hope you guys like this video. Please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.